All right, everybody, so in this video, we're gonna go ahead and replace our air filter. It's a 100-hour inspection and it's due. So first off, what we do is we remove these two bolts. So just take this off and then set it aside. And then here's your air filter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out. We get the new one. This is Briggs Stratton. This is the one that was recommended for this mower. Go ahead and we put it on. It's on. Put the cover back on. Nice and tight. Just like that. That's how you replace an air filter.